Zombie food. Watch until the end.
Oops.
Ain't nobody gonna believe this. Okay, say it again.
He ain't got no guts. I cleaned him out.
It's a bowfin.
He ain't got no head. It's in the sink.
Watch until the end.
But he's still alive.
And I am fighting him left and right to scale him.
What the duck?
There ain't no freaking way this is real.
Yeah, it's...
There ain't no... Do it again.
Okay, wait.
This can't be real. He ain't got no guts. He ain't got no head.
Watch until the end.
I don't believe that.
Dog bark. The question is, what restaurant that at?
Quiere brincar.
Man, what restaurant that's at, huh? Where they do that at, America? What the hell going on here, America? Come on now, we need some answers now. We really need some answers. What the hell going on here, America?
This video is for entertainment only.
Oops. What's going on here?
Okay, what kind of
Turn the stove off here. I can't believe that.
Don't think they killed this dinosaur properly.
Even the hot dogs, bro. The hot dogs. Is y'all serious, bro? The hot dogs, bro. For real. It's like Frankenstein. He's alive.